So it turns out that a great way to make your stylist absolutely thrilled is to walk in and tell them that they can pick your hair color. I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate you. I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate you. Hey guys, so I don't know if you can tell or not, but I went in on Thursday to get my hair cut because yesterday was actually my birthday. And I wanted a haircut and all that because hopefully we're going out for dinner tomorrow night for my birthday if we can get through our snowstorm that's impending. And I have been bored with my hair, so I decided, I had originally planned, I was thinking about maybe cutting my hair. But I'm too much of a pansy to actually do that, so instead I decided to color my hair. Which is something I said I wasn't going to do because I've been going gray and I want to be one of those people that embraces the gray. But I've been dyeing my hair most of my life. It's only been since I moved to North Carolina that I quit dyeing my hair. So I decided I'm going to go for it again because I am really bored with my hair. But since it was spur of the moment, I kind of told my hairdresser to just go ahead and pick a color for me. So she did. She picked two different colors and she combined them. I know one of them is called mocha, so it's a dark brown. I just don't remember what the other one is called, and it gives kind of a hint of red. So I don't know if you guys can see that my hair is kind of like a really dark red. I think you can probably tell a little bit better on the top of my head, especially where I'm kind of going bald here. But anyway, this is not a hair video. I promise it's not a hair video. But I wanted to play around with a little something. Every once in a while when you buy a palette, you'll get like a little pamphlet with it that kind of gives you some looks and how to do them. And they usually come off being pretty simple, but the picture that they give you in there looks absolutely phenomenal. Like somebody professional did it, and obviously somebody professional did it. But I want to see if I can follow one of these and how close I can make my own eyes look to what the professional made this person's eyeball look like. So let's give that a try, and we are going to use, because my love affair, or my attempted love affair with Too Faced is continuing, we are going to use a Too Faced palette. First of all, guys, can we just take a moment to appreciate this packaging? I swear to God, this is probably the cutest packaging ever. And I think probably my favorite one is this little dog here. Yeah. But this is some of the cutest packaging I've ever seen. I don't know what it has to do with the stuff that's inside, but it's pretty cute. As you can see, this is the Clover palette from Too Faced, and this is the one that we are going to run with. I'll show you the inside of it. I haven't seen this one in a store yet. The two palettes that I bought, I actually bought them directly from Too Faced, which I do not recommend doing because it takes forever for them to actually stick them in the mail. This is the palette that we are working with, and the thing that I'm talking about is this. Okay, now I got something like this in both palettes, and they use what's in there obviously to do little looks, and they tell you folds out like this, and this is the stuff that you've got, and there's another one here, soft and cuddly, which is actually kind of cute, and then there is on the back of them these little instructions on how to actually do them. And you can see it actually like words it out to tell you exactly which one you're doing and what you're supposed to put where and all that good stuff. So I thought, let's give one or two of these a try. Now I know I am actually going to try Puppy Love, which is this one here. And it looks like it is a 4-step process. And I will see if I can get my eye to look anything like that. My bet is no, but we're going to give it a shot. Okay, so step 1 is to apply puppy eyes onto the brow bone, and puppy eyes is this white job right here. So this should be intriguing. I'm going to use the little mirror inside the palette. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Okay, sparkly but not like white. I was kind of nervous that this was going to come out looking like really super white. Not so much. I guess I should probably zoom you guys in a little bit, shouldn't I? Okay, so the next step is to press Love is Love onto the eyelid. And Love is Love is, holy crap, that pink shade right there. That's actually a pretty cute color, actually. It's a nice matte pink, and I'm kind of digging it. I'm going to bring it up just a little because I started out horribly, because I suck at this. There we go. Okay, and we've got blend best friends on the outer corner of lid and blend into crease to create a V shape. I'm not very good at creating a V shape, so let's try to give this a shot and see which one is best friends. So this is best friends right here. It's kind of a trippy little color. So this is going to actually be kind of an interesting look. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to use this, and I'm going to, yeah, I know you can't really see that. I'm going to use this on the outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it up with a different brush. So just bear with me for a minute. Okay, I'm not, it looks like I'm getting a lot of pigment from this on camera, but in person, I don't know, could it just be the fact that it's duochrome? Let me try to blend it out and see what happens. Yeah, I don't know, guys. That doesn't seem to really be doing much as far as the look. I'm just going to dip this brush right in there because to hell with it. Okay. And my little skippies because I got old eyelids. Okay. It's hard. I hate using these on the corners because it is so hard to tell where exactly it's going. And right now I just kind of look like an idiot, so let's just keep blending. And I'm not getting much of a V, but that's because I don't have much space to work with. Let's give it a little bit of a try here. Yeah, I'm blowing this pretty good. And I got full out galore, guys. Alright. Alright, now I am going to blend furiously. Okay, so there you go. There's that. Okay, and the next or last step is to smudge Woof into the lower lash line, which is this. There we go. That's Woof. The problem I have with doing this is that I always happen to jab myself right in the eye with the brush. I've already done it 3 times since I've started doing this. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm going to say this is probably not a good look for me. I don't think I have the proper eye shape for it, nor do I have the skill for it. So I'm just going to go ahead and say that this is probably not really a good look for me. Okay, so what do you think, guys? I'm thinking no. Oh boy, that doesn't look, yeah. I'm thinking maybe with a little bit of work. I'm not even sure. What do you guys think? Does that even look like a real eye to you? I don't think that's a real eye. I think that's actually just like a drawing, like a rendering, which means, yeah, I'm not going to get it to look exact, but you know what the hell with it, close enough. Now, because I have 2 eyes, I figured let's go ahead and try a different look on the other eye, because why not? I'm not going anywhere. It's midnight. So I'm going to actually try soft and cuddly, because I blew the easier look, so let's go ahead and try the harder look, because why the hell not? Okay, so step 1 is to sweep Chihuahua from lash line to brow. Okay, Chihuahua is actually one of the colors I'm probably going to use a heck of a lot, which is this one right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Now, to further complicate things, I am working with my left eye now. Oh, joy of joys. Okay, next it says to press wet kisses into inner corner of lid and blend into crease, and to smudge it into the lower lash line. So let's give that a shot. Wet kisses is this color right here. And again, it's kind of one of those duochrome jobs, so Oh, let's hope for the best. My eye does not like this at all. You see how my eye is fighting me? I mean, it's actually fighting. Apply Cuddle Buddy onto outer corner of lid, creating a V shape. I'm really not very good at these V-shaped things. I'm just not. And I've got weird shaped eyes, so. That is Cuddle Buddy right there. Let's aim for that V, shall we? Now, normally if you're trying to do something like this, a V, there's varying different ways. I usually use this small brush and dab a little in the corner and then blend it out. Some people like to draw like a hashtag and then blend that out. That apparently works pretty well, but I'm kind of just running with what I know here and doing the best I can. Okay, I actually missed a step, so I'm actually going back to step 2, which is Wet Kisses, because apparently I was supposed to put it in the inner corner, and apparently I read it wrong or something. I don't know. Here we go. Which is supposed to connect. Now, I've never done, I'll be completely honest with you, I have never done one of these halo looks before, so this is actually a first try for me. But that's what we're here for. We're here to screw this up together, because I'm not a beauty guru, I am not a professional, and I'm just playing with makeup, so if we're going to screw it up, we might as well screw it up together, right? Let's have fun. I can see all the nasty comments coming in now from people who think they know what they're doing. Because believe me, I get them. I also don't give a crap. Okay, so now we've got dab Good Boy into center of lower lash line and into inner corner of eyes. I always hate doing the inner corner because as you guys, can you guys see my inner corner right here? Do you yeah, see how this goes? There's like a piece of skin that comes down. I do not have the same kind of inner corner as everybody else. I actually have a piece of skin there. Okay, so when I do inner corner, I end up having to do in here because I can't do anything else with that. So I always hate doing inner corner work, but we're going to give this a shot anyway because Good Boy is this bright yellow color here that I low-key love. Wow, that is really pigmented. Wow, okay. Right here, part of my eye that does not want, sorry. For whatever reason, that eye does not like having anything on the lower lash line. And it fights me every time I do it. So, hang on, I'm just going to blend a little bit and then we'll see what the final product actually looks like. So, there is the comparison. Obviously, this is way more pigmented than what I ended up. Now, obviously, these are artist renderings. I'm fairly certain these are not actually photographs. So the makeup wasn't actually done on somebody. But you're not going to get this much pigmentation, unfortunately, but you can take a couple of steps that would help to increase the pigmentation of the eyeshadow. One of the things that you can do is you can actually use a white eyeshadow base. And I know that you can get them from NYX. They've usually got, there's actually a pot that you can buy, and there is also a chubby stick that you can get, and you would just cover it in white, and that would actually make color pop a little bit more. You can also get a primer, like this one from Urban Decay, which is actually Eden. And I have only used Eden a couple of times, but I can tell you that it does make the color pop, and it is a great primer on top of it. So you can put this on your eyelid and make the colors pop a little bit more. I had originally planned to put this on, but I decided against it because, as you guys know, this stuff is kind of pricey. I think these are like $18 or $20 a tube. And I'm just going to go into the bathroom and wash this crap off my face. So, I don't know. Anyway, this is what the final looks look like. I mean, you've got, this is Puppy Love over here, and then this is whatever the hell that was called. Cuddle Buddy. What the hell? It's Soft and Cuddly. So we had Puppy Love, and we had Soft and Cuddly, and I mean, they're acceptable. They're not great. but with enough practice. I need practice just like you guys do. I'm not great at makeup. I try. But with enough practice, you could probably get it at least close. But being an artist rendering, obviously, it is not going to be identical. Just do your best with it and have fun, you guys. Just have fun with it. Enjoy. Anyway, guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm fairly certain my next video is going to actually be a makeup haul video because I have purchased more stuff than I probably should have this month. So that's probably what I'm going to do is a makeup haul video. So I will see you guys in the next one, and make sure that you subscribe so that you can catch that next video. Have a good one, guys.